Listen, my experience with turning the volume up using a touch screen was so frustrating.
Mm.
Because I like, okay, so this is me. When I get into the vehicle and before I drive, I like to have my music on. I like to set the tone. I like to set the mood. And so music to me, I love music. And so that is always usually a part of my drive, unless I'm like trying to like
That's
focus,
me.
because driving is therapeutic to me. So there are times when I want
Oh yeah.
silence if I'm thinking, but for the most part, music is a very big part of my driving experience. So for that experience to be made complicated with a flat touch screen, I was driving, and what I remember is the sun was glaring so bad on that screen that I couldn't see
Oh,
how
on
far.
like where the volume slider was?
Yes. And I was
Oh
driving.
no.
Yeah,
Oh,
I was driving. So it was so frustrating. And so that to me, it's unnecessary. We need to feel the button, I don't care if the button's thick. I don't care if it's thin. I don't care what it is, but I need to feel it and I need to turn it. It's very easy. Let's keep it that way. I don't know if we're going to stay that way, but that's for me is an unnecessarily complicated feature.